Hello, welcome to our cafe today. What can I get for you?
Hello, I would like a coffee, please. I need a warm drink to start.
We have different sizes of coffee. Do you want a small, medium, or large?
I will take a large coffee, please. I am quite tired this morning.
What kind of large coffee do you prefer? We have black coffee and white coffee.
I want a latte, please. I really like milk in my coffee.
Do you need any extra flavor for your latte? We have vanilla and caramel.
No, thank you. I do not need flavoring. Just the regular latte is fine.
Okay. Do you want the latte to be hot or iced? It is a sunny day.
I want it hot, please. I feel a bit cold inside.
I understand. We also have fresh juice. Do you want orange juice?
No, thank you. I do not need juice. Only the hot latte is enough.
Would you like a small pastry with your drink? They are very fresh.
Yes, that sounds good. What pastry is the most popular?
Our blueberry muffin is very popular. Many people buy it.
A blueberry muffin is perfect. I will take one of those.
So that is one large hot latte and one blueberry muffin. Is that all?
Yes, that is everything for now. Thank you for asking.
Your total cost is $9.50. How will you be paying?
I will pay with cash, please. Here is a $10 bill.
Thank you very much. Here is 50 cents change for you.
Thank you. It is very busy here today.
Yes, many people come in the morning. Please take a seat.
I will sit at a small table now. I like the window view.
I will bring your order to your table quickly. Enjoy the morning.
Thank you, Anna. I will wait here for my coffee.
Excuse me, Anna. I have a question about my order.
Yes, Tom? What did you want to know?
My muffin is ready, but where is my coffee? I need it now.
I am sorry for the delay. Your latte will be ready in 1 minute.
Thank you for telling me the time. I will eat the muffin now.
The table by the door is free now. Do you want to move there?
No, thank you. I like this table. It is quieter here.
I see. Do you have any sugar packets on your table?
Yes, I have 2 small sugar packets. I do not use them.
Good. I need to take them for another customer. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. I am happy to help you.
Your latte is coming now. Here is your large hot coffee.
Thank you very much, Anna. It smells very good.
I made sure it is extra hot for you. Please be careful.
I will be careful with the hot cup. I will start drinking slowly.
Do you need a small paper napkin for your muffin?
Yes, a napkin would be very helpful. Thank you for thinking of it.
Here is a clean white napkin for you. Is your chair comfortable?
Yes, the chair is fine. I like sitting here very much.
I will clean the table next to you. Is the noise too loud?
No, the noise is okay. I like the music you are playing.
That is great. I hope you enjoy the relaxing music.
I will try the muffin now. It looks very big and tasty.
It is made fresh every morning. Enjoy your snack.
Thank you. I think I will come here tomorrow too.
Excuse me, Anna. Can I talk to you for a second?
Of course, Tom. Do you need something for your drink?
Yes, the latte is very good, but I need more milk.
You want cold milk for your hot latte? I can bring a small pitcher.
Yes, please bring cold milk. I want the coffee to cool down.
No problem. I will get that for you right away.
Thank you. You are very kind. I appreciate your service.
Here is the small pitcher of cold milk. Add it slowly.
Thank you. I will pour the milk in now. This is perfect.
Is the muffin good? Are you enjoying the blueberry taste?
The muffin is delicious, but I need one more napkin, please.
I am sorry. Did you drop your first napkin?
Yes, I dropped it on the floor. I need a clean one.
Here is another fresh napkin for you. Please do not worry.
Thank you for the second napkin. I am very messy when I eat.
That is okay. We clean the tables often here.
I have finished the top part of the muffin. I like the soft bottom.
I am glad you enjoy our baking. We work hard on it.
What time do you close the cafe tonight?
We close at 8 p.m. every evening. We stay open late.
I see. I might come back for dinner later.
We serve sandwiches in the evening. They are very tasty.
I will check the menu later. I must finish my coffee first.
Do you need anything else now, or are you good?
No, I am good now. I have everything I need.
Great. Just relax and enjoy your time here.
Anna, excuse me for bothering you again. I need help.
Hello, Tom. No bother at all. What do you need?
I need to find the restroom now. I drank all the coffee.
The restroom is at the back of the cafe. Walk past the kitchen door.
At the back. I understand the location.
The door is green and says WC on it. It is very clear.
Green door with WC. I will look for it carefully.
Is there anything else you need before you leave?
Yes, I want to find a post office. Where is the nearest one?
The post office is on Main Street. It is 3 blocks away.
Main Street. 3 blocks. Is it far to walk?
It is a short walk, about 10 minutes. It is very close.
Thank you. I will walk there after my break here.
Do you need me to write the address down for you?
No, thank you. I can remember Main Street.
Do you like our city so far? Is it your first visit?
Yes, it is my first visit. I like the big park.
The Central Park is beautiful in the spring. You should see the flowers.
I will visit the park this afternoon. I hope the weather stays good.
The sun will stay out all day. It is a nice day for a walk.
That is good news for my sightseeing. Thank you again.
My pleasure. Feel free to come back and ask more questions.
I will come back for dinner tonight. I will see you then.
Great. Have a nice walk to the post office.
Thank you, Anna. See you this evening.
Welcome back, Tom. I see you are here for dinner.
Hello, Anna. Yes, I came back for dinner. I was hungry.
I am happy you've returned. What kind of food do you want?
I want a sandwich, please. I need a big one.
We have chicken sandwich and vegetable sandwich. Which one do you want?
I want the chicken sandwich, please. I love chicken.
Do you want cheese on your sandwich? We have cheddar cheese.
Yes, please add the cheddar cheese. I like cheese very much.
Do you want chips or salad with your sandwich?
I will take the chips, please. I feel like eating chips tonight.
Okay, a chicken sandwich with cheese and chips. What about a drink?
I will have a large glass of water, please. I am very thirsty now.
Just still water, not sparkling water?
Just the regular still water, please. Thank you.
Your dinner costs $12. Do you want to pay now?
Yes, I will pay now. I have a $20 bill.
Thank you. I will bring your change to the table later.
Where should I sit now? Is my old table free?
The window table is free again. You can sit there.
Great. I will go and sit down now. I am very tired.
The sandwich will take about 10 minutes. Please relax.
10 minutes. I will read my book while I wait.
I will bring the water first. Here is your cold water.
Thank you for the water. You are very fast.
Enjoy your reading. I will see you soon with your food.
Anna, my sandwich was excellent. Thank you very much.
I am glad you liked the chicken sandwich. Did you finish the chips?
Yes, I ate all the chips too. My plate is completely empty.
I will take your plate now. Did you enjoy the water?
The water was cold and fresh. Thank you for the large glass.
You are welcome. Here is your change from the $20.
Thank you for the change. You gave me $8 back.
That is correct. Do you need a receipt for your meal?
Yes, please give me the receipt. I need it for my records.
Here is your receipt. I hope you had a good day sightseeing.
Yes, I had a great day. The post office was easy to find.
That is good news. I hope you sent your important letters.
Yes, the letters are sent. Now I must return to my hotel.
Do you need me to call a taxi for you tonight?
No, thank you. My hotel is very close. I can walk.
The evening weather is cool. You should wear your jacket.
Thank you for the advice. I will put my jacket on now.
We hope to see you back here tomorrow for breakfast.
Maybe I will come back. I like your blueberry muffins.
We will save a muffin for you early in the morning.
That is very kind of you, Anna. Thank you for everything.
You are very welcome, Tom. Have a good night's rest.
Good night, Anna. See you tomorrow, maybe.